SBI presents Tokyo Olympic 2020, the banker to every Indian.
Olympics heralded resurgence, renaissance, and a national awakening in sports in our country by restoring the depleted confidence and self-esteem. Of the 120-member Indian contingent for Tokyo, 55 of them have fought in the quarter-finals. Out of 120 of Indian continent in Tokyo, 55 of them have fought in the quarter-finals and above, marking the highest ever penetration into medal rounds of competition. For the first time, 5 of our athletes fought for the gold and over 40 made it to the semi-finals. This is quite significant as it indicates the scope for substantially improving medal harvest in the near future as our sports persons set their eyes on the Paris Olympics in 2024 with newfound confidence. Our tricolor, the symbol of national pride, was hoisted in the Olympics arena after 13 long years in Tokyo. As the 140 crore nation, circling and heading for more such movements for long, stood up elated and with misty eyes as our national anthem was played out. We hope to have more such glorious moments in the years to come and sports persons to make it a habit of winning from now on. The young and confident Neeraj Chopra, the last contestant of the games of our country, is the youngest 23-year-old for our contingent on the 7th of August did our nation proud with his golden javelin throw. The way he dominated the field right from the word go, never seen before, made our people rejoice as it was a statement of we too can do it. In the process, he brought curtains down on decades of despair. His feat helps in healing the fostering wound of recurrent despair. Earlier on the same day, wrestler Bajrang Punia also did the country proud with a bronze medal. Despite his knee injury, Punia fought valiantly to make it 2 medals for the country in a day, a rare occurrence. Before Neeraj Chopra set the field on fire, our men and women hockey players scripted history through their spectacular and gritty performances, restoring the waning confidence in our sport of the nation's heart, hockey. Men's team entered the semi-finals after 49 long years and fought valiantly to win a medal after 41 years. The women brave hearts, having made Olympics debut in 1980, made it to the semi-final after 41 years and only in their 3rd appearance. These stellar performances are harbingers of regeneration of interest in sports and in general, and hockey in particular, in our country. As clear markers of a hope for the future, a large number of our contingent were first-time Olympians and still performed spectacularly in Tokyo. 11 men and 8 women hockey players did so. Neeraj Chopra, Ravikumar Dahiya, Mirabai Chanu, Lavleen Vargayan, and Bajrang Punia have won medals in their first Olympics. Fencer Bhavani Devi showed promise, winning for the first round as our country made debut in this sport. P.V. Sindhu emerged as the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals and only the second to do so, and that too in successive games. This August House is further happy to take note of the spectacular emergence of our women athletes in the international sports arena, and they are coming to the fore as medal winners. In 2016 Rio Games, both the medal winners were women. In Tokyo, 3 of the 7 medal winners were women. In the process, 5 of the 9 medal winners in the last 2 Olympics were women, a matter of celebration. Particularly so when our women have to overcome orthodoxies and prejudices that restrict them from taking to sports. Our women sports persons are scripting history, and this bodes very well for our medal-hungry nation. This August House is delighted over one of its honorable members, Srimati Mary Kom, representing the country in Tokyo Olympics. She is the first serving member of Parliament to represent India, first in Rio Olympics. The 6-time world champion is the first female boxer to win an Olympic boxing medal for the country, and she won a bronze medal in 2012 London Games. The 39-year-old, during her 20-year-long sports career, made immense contribution towards inspiring women into competitive sports. She lost her bout in a split verdict in Tokyo. This August House is proud of the achievements of Srimati Mary Kom. India finished at 47 on the Tokyo medal tally, but improved from 67 in the last Rio Games. 4 gold medals would have placed us at around 20 and another 4 among the top 10 in the medals tally. Our Tokyo performance, besides our other takeaways, have defined our mission for the future.
अड़ी सोमवार से शुक्रवार शाम 6 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।